In this video, I'm going to show you how to snooze a text message in Google Messages. So the first thing you want to do is open up your Google Messages app and then navigate to a message thread and open it up. Go to the message you want to snooze and tap and hold on it. You can only do this for one message at a time. Tap on the clock in the top right hand corner and then select on the time and date, and whenever you have selected the time and date, all you have to do is tap on the save button when you're finished, and that's all there is to it. Hope you guys enjoyed this video. Until next time, thank you for watching. Peace.